Today, I will be sharing some information about the Thieves Essential Oil that is in your Premium Starter Kit. Now, your Premium Starter Kit has some amazing oils, and some of them are Vitality labeled. And Vitality is a way that Young Living helps you, the consumer, know that those are safe to be ingested. In which that means that you can put it in your hot drink, you can put it in your water, you can put it in your food. And so Vitality is the labeling system, and those would be this white label. Thieves is one of them. And so the Thieves Vitality has some amazing immune supporting properties. It is a blend of many oils, including clove and cinnamon bark. And so today I'm just going to share some of my favorite ways that I use Thieves in my home and my family, and how they have made us feel in our journey of experiencing essential oils. Thieves was one of the very first oils that I was given by my sweet, sweet friend that introduced me to the oils. She not only gave me the Thieves to use for several days, but she also loaned me a diffuser, because I had never really experienced that for myself. And I am just so thankful for her for having done that. And now I can share this amazing information with you as well. Now, the Thieves, because it has the immune support properties that Young Living has created, it is just a must-have. And I am super excited that they have that as part of the oil in the Premium Starter Kit. Now, the Vitality collection is only one way that the Thieves is available to you. There is also the other regular label, and this is a bigger bottle. This is a 5 milliliter that comes in your starter kit. I tend to buy the 15 in the regular label because I use it for several things. And so wanted to share with you that this is what comes in the starter kit, but this is also available for you to acquire so you can use it around your home. And so the way I use the Thieves is I have a steam mop, and in that steam mop I do not put any chemicals. I put another Thieves Infused product that Young Living has, which is another of my favorite, the household cleaner. So I will put a cap of this with a distilled water in my steam mop, and I clean my whole home with that, and it just leaves my floors smelling amazing. And so this is one of the other Thieves Infused products that Young Living has produced. It's not the only one. There's a whole collection of products. The other item that I love that is Thieves Infused is the mouthwash and the toothpaste. These in my home are a must-have. And now when I speak to people, I feel confident that I have that breath, that people don't step away from me, but they step towards me. And so these are two of my favorite Thieves Infused products that I absolutely cannot run out in my home. Now, the Thieves can also be used, of course, in the diffuser. And that is my favorite way to always keep my home smelling clean, is by diffusing this several times a week throughout my home. Now, I also use the Thieves after a long day. I love to put the Thieves in the bottom of my feet right before I go to bed, and be able to relax and allow my body to rest and rejuvenate as I sleep a full night's sleep. And so that is another idea that I would like to share for you to consider, because there are many benefits in rubbing essential oils on the bottom of your feet, along with right behind your ear. And so the Thieves is one of my favorite to use on my body and on my family. And so I hope that some of this information has been helpful, and I am super excited that you will continue your journey with us as we share together tips and ideas of all these amazing essential oils that are part of your premium starter kit. And I wish you the very best in your journey of wellness. Thanks again for watching.